All right, so let's get this assembled. One easy thing about this is you don't need any type of tools. You just snap things into place and you're good to go. So we're going to start by assembling the handle, and that is just getting these two curved pieces popped into place. And I will tell you one thing right now that you should know before you get to this step is make sure these pins are facing inward on the handle. If they're facing outward when you get to the base, they won't line up correctly and you have to do it over. Not that it takes a lot of time, but just make sure that these are facing inward. And also for your height, hopefully you can see it, there's different holes you select, so just put whatever height you want to and press the pin into place. But we got the handle together. Let's move on to the base. And one nice thing about these pins too is they go in really easy. I've had, in the past, you're trying to get these pins into place and they almost like hurt your hands a little bit while you're doing it. These don't do that at all. They make it really simple to get everything locked into place. But now on to the final part here, just getting that base on there. So we'll get that pushed down, this pushed down as well. And there we go. So this is fully assembled. Let's get it installed onto the bed. Okay, so let's install it onto the bed. They do give you a strap, which you could just connect to the bottom of this and then put it on the other side of the bed. Personally, I don't ever use a strap with these. I've never needed it, but if you want to have that extra security, you can put the strap in, but I just slide it under the bed and they're good to go. But how you do that, it's pretty self-explanatory. We just got to lift the mattress up and then we can put this right underneath it. So get the mattress up. I do have a box spring. If you don't have a box spring, it really wouldn't matter. Just make sure you have like a platform bed frame or something underneath that is going to give it, something to sit on, because it does use that as leverage to stay on there. But we got it fully installed. It's ready to use. Do a test. It's secure. I'm about 200 pounds. I'm putting all my weight on it right now. It's good to go. The final thing is just to clip our carrying case into here so it doesn't fall all over the place. And we're finished. Now you can put your remote, bottle of water, or whatever you need to in there. But overall, it's just super easy to put together, easy to install on the bed. So if you or your loved ones having trouble, getting in and out of bed, this is an affordable, convenient product. It's going to make that a whole lot easier for them. So it gets 2 thumbs up from me.